Okay, so we're going to use our magic wand tool. So I'm going to go File and Open. And I have an image of a coffee bean that I'm going to use here. So these straightforward images are okay. Hopefully we'll be able to get a good selection with this. So magic wand, click on the background, because essentially I'm picking up the background. I have my tolerance at 35 here, which means it's leaving some of the background behind. So I deselect, start again, maybe a tolerance of 55. Much better. Okay, now I could go with this and then I could fix it up, you know, with some of the tools I've learned earlier on. But let's deselect it and try a tolerance of 60 this time. Now, we do run the risk of kind of picking up parts of the coffee bean now. Not too bad. Let's deselect again. I'm going to try 70. Okay, still picking up some of the shadows. Deselect. I'm going to try 80. I'm not going to go too far because I noticed that I'm picking up some of the white bits in here. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick, right? So I'm beginning to pick up some of the little parts of here. So I'm going to deselect, and there's an option at the top here called contiguous. If I check that and I click on my background, it'll only pick up adjoining pixels. It won't pick up pixels that aren't touching other pixels. So see how it's stopped picking up the selection in the middle of the coffee bean? So that will help with that. Again, I'm just going to deselect one more time. I'm going to try 90. Okay, I'm kind of happy with that. I know there's a little bit of feathering underneath, but that's okay. So Control J. Okay. Oh, sorry. See what we got? We don't want it. We definitely don't want that. So what do we need to do? So I'm going to undo that. Okay. And I need to invert the selection. So how do I invert the selection? Well, on your contextual taskbar here, there's a little icon. It's like 2 arrows and invert selection. So now just the coffee bean is selected. So if I Control J, now I have my coffee bean. And I could, for example, make copies of that coffee bean. I'm just using Alt here. Alt and drag. Okay, and I can move those around.